Welcome to Become One Meditations. This is a 10-minute Zen mindfulness meditation designed to help you embrace the present moment, cultivate inner awareness, and begin your day with clarity. Find a comfortable seat on a cushion, a mat, or a chair. Keep your back straight, hands resting gently in your lap or on your knees. Now close your eyes or soften your gaze. Take a deep breath in, hold, and slowly exhale. Feel the air flowing in and out of your body. Let go of all distractions and simply be here in this moment. Now, gently shift your attention to your breath. Observe the natural rhythm of your breathing. Do not force it. Just notice. Feel the cool air as you inhale and the warmth as you exhale. If your mind starts to wander, gently bring it back to the breath. With each breath, allow yourself to sink deeper into relaxation, fully present, fully aware. Now bring your attention to your body, starting from the top of your head. Slowly scan down. Notice any sensations, tension, or relaxation. Feel your forehead soften, your jaw unclench, your shoulders release. Move down to your chest, feeling the gentle rise and fall with each breath. Continue down to your abdomen, hips, legs, and all the way to your toes. Be aware of any tightness, and with each exhale, let it go. Zen meditation is about pure presence, fully experiencing this moment without judgment. Listen to the subtle sounds around you, the gentle hum of the world awakening. Feel the air on your skin, the sensation of sitting still. If thoughts arise, acknowledge them without attachment. Let them pass like clouds in the sky, bringing your focus back to the breath. Your mind may wander. That's natural. Observe your thoughts without engaging them. Imagine each thought as a leaf floating down a river. You see it, you acknowledge it, and you let it drift away. Return again and again to this simple awareness. You are here. You are now. With each breath, feel yourself becoming more present, more still. As you inhale, invite calm and clarity. As you exhale, release any lingering tension or restlessness. There is nothing to do, nowhere to be, just pure being, pure presence. Now expand your awareness beyond yourself. Feel the space around you, the stillness around you. Imagine yourself as part of the vast universe, like the mountains, standing tall in silence. You are steady, grounded, unshaken, just like them. As you sit in this deep awareness, bring to mind a sense of gratitude. Gratitude for this breath, for this body, for this moment. Set a simple intention for your day. May I move through today with clarity, presence, and peace. Slowly begin bringing your awareness back to the room. Notice the sensation of your hands resting on your lap, your feet touching the ground. Take a deep breath in, hold, and exhale slowly. Feel the calm and clarity within you. When you're ready, gently open your eyes. Take a moment to appreciate this stillness. Carry this peace, awareness, and gratitude with you as you step into your day. Thank you for joining Become One Meditations. May you walk through today with mindfulness and serenity.